Hello everyone, this is your weather on the fly outlook for Monday, December 18th, 2023. A powerful storm will continue racing northward across New England today. Heavy rain, strong winds, and coastal impacts continue. Colder and windy conditions will spread across the Great Lakes, Ohio Valley, Appalachians, and to the East Coast. Lake effect snow and upslope flow into the Appalachians will bring snow accumulations and difficult travel conditions. The West Coast will see more rain and some snow as a new storm system moves in. Be sure to subscribe for future daily weather outlooks.